Hello, this is Leonard here with Ascendance Truck Centers. Our company is growing, and with that growth comes real opportunity for some really nice deals on our in-stock new truck inventory. We've got numerous international models such as the CV, a very capable lightweight truck, perfect for any construction or utility job that you may have. We've also got the HV, newly equipped with the S13 integrated powertrain, provides a roomy cab, a sloped hood, and a panoramic windshield improved with visibility on your job site. Then there's the HX, known to be the toughest of the tough, and comes with either a set forward or set back steer axle position. These trucks feature a spacious galvanized steel cab with anti-corrosion finishes like the ChemGuard and the spray-on liner protection. And they come with either the S13 integrated powertrain or the Cummins X15 engine. Then there's the LT, known for its finely tuned, ergonomic, spacious interior, and uncompromising durability. The International LT also comes with the S13 integrated powertrain, built for the long hauls, yet agile enough for those tight city streets. Then one of my favorites, the MV. This model packs the torque and the payload and application options that drivers and fleet managers demand. These trucks are equipped with Cummins power. This inventory is available through our Ascendance Trucks company, but also our sister company, Allegiance Trucks. Please visit either one of our websites at ascendancetrucks.com or allegiancetrucks.com.